Let's head to the track now. There is a price to pay for being in the spotlight. That's what ISA Boys and Girls Jams Class 2 double sprint champion Shanoya Douglas has discovered. More in this report.
Shanoya Douglas's exploits on the track and field scene have not gone unnoticed. The 18-year-old is one of the rising stars among Jamaica's athletes. Along with her Class 2 sprint double gold earlier this year, Douglas was a bronze medalist at the World Under-20 Championships, Pan Am Games silver medalist in 2023, and Carifta triple gold medalist in 2024. It's because of those achievements why Douglas is admired wherever she goes, and even she knows there's no shying away from it.
Even being in Falmouth, I will be looking taxi and a stranger will come up and say, "Hey, are you Shanoya Douglas?" And they will start giving encouragement. So I'm always being encouraged by the people around me in my close circle, strangers, and I'm surrounded by a positive circle. So I'm always being encouraged by my coach and everyone around me.
And her community of New Haven Heights in Granville, Trelawney has played its part. They paid tribute by unveiling a commemorative sign bearing her image at the entrance of the community.
I was really honored when I heard what was going to happen, and I also was nervous on the day, and up to now I still feel nervous when I get the sign, because I will be coming out of taxi and I will say, "Driver, one stop," and they were like, "Yeah, man, I know, so that's the live."
When you think track and field and think Trelawney, Usain Bolt is the quickest name that comes to mind. That's the height that Douglas is eyeing.
I do want to leave a legacy behind my name, like how Usain Bolt has left his. I want to do greater than what he did. I like the sport, and I do this because of my love, and I want to leave my name behind for when my children, my grandchildren, my great-grand, they can say, "Hey, my grandma, my mom this, my great-grand this." Yeah, that's a great feeling. I just want to leave something behind. I want to leave a piece of me, a piece of my love for the sport behind.
Douglas got her feet wet at the National Senior Trials earlier this year, where she reached the semi-finals in the women's 100 meters and the final of the 200 meters, a moment she described as nerve-wracking.
The difference kind of made me more nervous, realizing that I'm stepping up, and then coming down the tunnel with the seniors, the nerves, the jitty, the excitement. It was a very nice feeling, but also a very scary feeling, because it's not like I'm foreign to the feeling of the nerves, but this one just was a little more intense because of the gravity of what I was going to do. But in all, I felt very excited, and I was also nervous. I kind of like the challenge.
Douglas is now hoping the experience she gained will help prepare her for the 2026 World Under-20 Championships to be held in Lima, Peru. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.